Hey guys, welcome to my second YouTube video about my dirt bike. Today I'm going to cover everything I do to convert this cross-country trail / race dirt bike into a somewhat comfortable yet very capable DualSport machine. I've ridden 3 BDRs on this bike: the Colorado BDR, the Arizona BDR, and the South Dakota BDRX. This bike was purchased as the non-street legal model, and I have added wiring harnesses and all the parts I'll be going over here to make it both street legal and comfortable for the longer trips. Okay, the first part is the Seat Concepts XL seat. They're definitely expensive, but it adds a lot of comfort and I would highly recommend it. Yeah, the XL size is definitely what I'd recommend. You can really sit back farther. This part's kind of interesting. It is I fully replaced the headlight mask on the bike. So it has my turn signals, my headlight, and my windshield, and it pops on and off with the straps. So just a minute or so, and I can have a windshield on my bike. And it kind of, same how it fits together. Working backwards from that, I have my tank bag. This is the smaller size of the Tusk Olympia bag. It fits on the 3-gallon Cherry Beast tank nicely, and it is very roomy for all my stuff. Definitely recommend that. After that, I have my mirrors. These are the Tusk double take these are just double take adventure mirrors. And they thread onto the bar perches like that. So I save space on my handlebars and could have my mirror. I had a clamp on one before and it just took up bar space, and it was an extra step to convert the bike back and forth. After that, I have my GPS, which is a Trailtech Voyager GPS. This is the older one with a black and white screen. All I do is I give it some power with the harness behind the headlight, and it gives me my map. It's pretty simple, but it's been on all 3 of my BDRs and it works great. It attaches just with a single bar clamp, so it's on and off really quickly. After that, license plate mount. This is the flex plate mount from, forget from where, but it just mounts on with the holes already drilled in the fender, and I just bolt it on. So another quick on and off. Getting into the luggage part of what I do to make this bike an adventure bike. This is the Giant Loop Coyote saddlebag. So I'll be inputting a lot of pictures in here, how I have this all set up, but it's a horseshoe bag. It keeps a lot of the weight low and in the side, and I really like how simple it is and how there's kind of 3 parts, like the sides, and then the top. The way I packed this bag is my sleeping bag was in this dry bag because I was up high, and everything else that's heavier and more bulky went in here just to keep the weight distribution better. Again, I'll be using lots of pictures here. Lastly, here's the wheel and tire combo that I use. These are stock wheels off of just another EXE bike I got on Facebook Marketplace. But these are Tusk D-Sport tires. They are very hard to mount and are a battle to install, but once installed, they are well worth it. I've got about 3,000 miles out off of my previous set, and this is my second set, and I really enjoy them. They wear really well and are aggressive on-road, off-road, and track very well on-road. So I highly recommend it. One key feature here is that this is a 38 tooth sprocket by Dirt Tricks. And then on the dirt bike wheel set is a 50 tooth sprocket. So all I have to do is swap this axle block around, and then the difference in length between here and here is worth 2 teeth. So we get two different gear ratios without having to adjust the chain tension at all, which is really great.